Let's make crock-pot chicken and wild rice soup. Start by dicing up 3 celery sticks. And then go ahead and add that to your crock pot. Next, I'm going to dice up 3 carrots. Go ahead and add your carrots to your crock pot. And lastly, I'm gonna dice up 1/2 of an onion. And then add your onion to your crock pot. Then add 1 cup of wild rice, a tablespoon of Italian seasoning, some salt, peppers, some bay leaves. You can use chicken stock or chicken broth. I'm just going to use this since this is what I have on hand. And you just dissolve it in some water. Add 3 garlic cloves or 3 teaspoons of garlic. And then mix all that together. Next, I'm gonna add some chicken. Next, go ahead and place your lid on your crock pot and then cook on low for like 4 to 6 hours. Now that this is done cooking, we're going to shred the chicken. You can either remove the chicken and shred it. I actually like taking a whisk and it will shred it right up. And then after that, go ahead and take 1 cup of milk or heavy cream, and then I'm gonna add some flour into it to thicken it. You do wanna add the flour into your milk before you add it to the crock pot. And then go ahead and add it to your crock pot. And then go ahead and mix it up. And then also at this time, you'll want to remove your bay leaves. And then place your lid back on it and just let it cook for about 15 to 20 more minutes. And there we go, it is all done. I'll go ahead and put the full recipe in the description below, and then follow me for more recipes.